Gerbėmieji kolegos notarai, gerbiamas Uzbekistano notarų rūmų prezidentė.
Dear fellow notaries, dear President of the Chamber of Notaries of Uzbekistan, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Lithuanian Notariate, I would like to congratulate you on the occasion of the 5-year anniversary of the Chamber of Notaries of Uzbekistan. This 5-year period is only a moment in the context of the existence of the Latin Notariate, but it is a testimony to the considerable path that the Uzbek Notariate has taken.
Labai džiaugiuosi ir didžiuojuosi, kad prieš kelerius metus
I am very pleased and proud that a few years ago the international notarial community took note of Uzbekistan's efforts on the path of notarial reforms. The methodological assistance provided by the International Notarial Union, as well as by the Lithuanian Notariate, has been useful in the implementation of legal reforms in Uzbekistan, and eventually led to Uzbekistan's membership of the International Notarial Union.
Mes galime drąsiai ir pagrįstai kalbėti apie tai, kad
we can confidently and justifiably say that the reform of the Uzbek Notariate is a success story for the entire vast Asian region.
Tačiau, kaip ir minėjau, 5
However,
metai.
as I said, 5 years is still a short time for the Notariate to become stronger and to establish its deep traditions in society and among the legal institutions of the state.
Todėl linkiu jums, gerbiamasis prezidentė.
Therefore, I wish you, Mr. President, all the notaries of Uzbekistan, and each of them, not to reduce their daily efforts in their work. Pursue knowledge tirelessly, develop your professional qualifications and make the most of technological advances in your work.
Notariatas tampa stiprus, kai juo pradeda pasitikėti ir šalies gyventojai, ir valstybės institucijos.
Notariate becomes strong when it is trusted by the population of the country as well as by state institutions, when legislators and the executive realize that in all political and economic conditions notaries remain strong and reliable guardians of the rule of law in civil matters. I wish everyone health, strength, energy, wisdom and diligence.